Welcome to my Pixpa website builder review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Pixpa is an all-in-one website builder designed for photographers, artists, designers, and small business owners who need to create visually appealing websites without needing coding skills. It offers a range of features, including an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, e-commerce functionality, and professional-grade templates tailored to creative industries. Whether you're building a portfolio, blog, or online store, Pixpa provides all the tools you need to design a sleek, functional site. One of the standout features of Pixpa is its extensive selection of customizable templates, specifically created for creatives. These templates are fully responsive, ensuring that your website looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. The drag-and-drop editor is user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to jump in and start building right away, while still offering the flexibility that more experienced users will appreciate. The ability to easily add galleries, blogs, and online stores makes Pixpa a versatile tool for a wide range of needs. For e-commerce, Pixpa offers built-in features to help you sell products or services directly through your site. It supports both physical and digital goods, with options to manage inventory, track orders, and set up secure payment gateways. The e-commerce setup is straightforward, but it may not offer as many advanced features as dedicated platforms like Shopify. On the downside, Pixpa's pricing plans might seem a bit high compared to other website builders, especially if you need more advanced features or e-commerce functionality. Additionally, while the templates are great for creative professionals, the customization options can be somewhat limiting if you're looking for complete freedom in design. Pixpa also lacks some of the third-party integrations that other platforms offer, which could be a deal-breaker if you rely on certain apps or tools. Overall, Pixpa is an excellent website builder for creatives who want a simple, all-in-one platform to showcase their work or run a small online store. While it may not be as flexible or feature-packed as some competitors, its focus on visual design and ease of use makes it a solid choice for its target audience. If you're looking for a streamlined solution to build a beautiful website quickly, Pixpa is worth considering.